Data refers to any sets of values or information that can be collected, stored, and analyzed. It can take many different forms, including numbers, text, images, audio, and video. Data is often used in various fields such as science, technology, business, and research to make decisions, draw conclusions, and gain insight. With the increasing availability of digital technology, data has become an essential component of many modern applications, ranging from artificial intelligence to e-commerce to social media. Data helps in making information decisions based on insights and pattern derived from analyzing data. It provides a factual basis for decision making rather than relying on guesswork or assumption. By analyzing data, organizations can identify areas for improvement and make data driven decisions. To streamline operations,